Hello guys, welcome back again. It's Bikram Singh and you're watching AI Venture. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install latest version of Python in your Windows operating system. So go to your favorite browser. By the way, mine one is Mozilla and type Python. Click it. And the first link you see over here is python.org. Click that link and down here you can see so many information related to Python. In the download section, you can see here at the time we are recording this video, the latest version of Python is 3.7.0. Let's go up and download section and go for Windows because we are downloading it for Windows and click that link. And down here you can see there are so many installers available for Python 3.7.0 version, but we are looking for Windows 64-bit executable installer. Why 64-bit? Because the configuration of my system is 64-bit. So before installing, you must check the configuration of your system first. For that, you have to directly go to Chrome and look for System and Security. In that, go for System and click it. And down here you can see the system type. Mine one is 64-bit operating system. In case if yours is 86-bit, then you can download 86-bit executable installer. So I'm gonna go for this option, Windows 64-bit executable installer, and click it and save the file. By the way guys, I already downloaded it, so let's actually go to there and start the installation process and click the link and the installation process begin. And before that you have to check that option, add to Python 3.7, and click the install now. And here's and the installation process begin. It merely gonna take you around 3 to 4 minutes, so let's wait for that. Until then I'll fast forward the whole process. Okay, it shows that setup was successfully installed, so let's minimize it. Let's directly go to the left bottom corner in Windows and search for Python under P category. Okay, we hear you and we click that, and down here you can see there are four options available. The first one is the Python IDLE version, and you can call it as a Python GUI version, and the second one is Python shell version. So let's click to the shell version and open it and try to write down the first hello world program. For that we need to type print and the bracket hello world and close and enter. As you can see, it prints hello world. Let's cancel it and let's go and check for GUI version, and so directly go to here and click that one. As you can see over here right now, the GUI version is open, so let's try to write the same command over here, print bracket and type hello world. See, it prints hello world. So simple and so easy. And thanks for watching guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to AI Venture. See you in the next video.